Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about Coursiv or Coursiv.io. Basically, this is a course that can help you get more money or help you gain more profit by taking advantage of AI. Now, when you first enter Coursiv, you'll be given this 1 minute quiz, right? They'll basically ask you things like what's your gender, how old are you, or how many hours per day do you have to learn, things like that. So basically, you'll need to sign up and then do this little quiz first, and then you will get a plan nurtured for you, right? So they'll ask what's your main goal, like grow wealth, financial freedom, travel the world, professional growth, work-life balance, things like this. You just have to answer this a lot. There's quite a few questions. There's 23, right? And then after this, you'll get a plan that you can subscribe to that can help you grow your own business with AI, right? And is it a scam or is it legit? Now there is Trustpilot reviews, right? And these are reviews by real people, and there's 23,000 reviews, and it has pretty good favorable reviews. It's 4.5, and it thinks states like if you think you know, think again. I believe prompt engineering is essential skill to leverage on the full potential of an AI tool. Easy and informative to your team. The material is easy to understand. Things like that. So with these review, I can confidently say it's not a scam, so it's legit and it's 100% real. It won't scam you. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.